Solve by completing the square. X squared minus 4x minus 10 equals 0. To complete the square, we're going to first get the x squared and then the negative 4x terms by themselves on one side of the equation by adding 10 to both sides. That gives us x squared minus 4x equals 10, and I've left space because I need to add something when I complete the square. To determine what to add, I look at the coefficient of x, which is negative 4. I take negative 4, divide by 2, that gives me negative 2. I take this answer, negative 2, square it, and get 4. So 4 is the number I want to add. I add it to this side of the equation, and I add it to this side of the equation. Now I've completed the square. This is the square of a binomial. I factor it as x minus 2 squared equals 10 plus 4 is 14. I now use the principle of square roots, and I write x minus 2 equals the square root of 14, or x minus 2 equals negative square root of 14. Adding 2 to both sides, x equals 2 plus the square root of 14, or x equals 2 minus the square root of 14. Both of these check, and I would state then that the solutions are 2 plus the square root of 14 and 2 minus the square root of 14.